Hey everyone, and welcome back into the kitchen. I am just about to boil up a poached egg, and I wanted to share with you some of the best techniques to get the best poached egg possible. So I'm in the process now. Here you can see I have a pot here with some water boiling in it. You want to get your water up nice, boiling to a nice roll. We're going to turn it down to a simmer when we're about ready to poach the eggs. But a couple of techniques that I wanted to show you. Now, you don't have to do, if you just want to do a simple egg and it doesn't matter how it looks or, if it has those strings that come out, don't worry. You don't have to do all of these steps. This is just in case you are looking to get a nice rounded poached egg with that creamy center inside. And by the way, you can end up just doing fried egg if you like, or scrambled eggs with the avocado toast. So that's what this poached egg is for. It is also part of one of the evening meals. So to get started, I have one egg left. So one of the techniques that I have seen and I have used in the past is I will use a little strainer, little sieve, and a little ramekin. You can use a cup if you'd like. And I like to break my egg into that sieve just so that, let's see if we can see there. Yeah, just so that I catch everything that comes out. And if there's any really watery parts to the egg white, it will actually go through the strainer and into the, you can actually see a little, or let's see if we can see it. There we go, a little bit coming out here. That will keep those long strings from coming out when you're poaching the egg. I'm gonna let that sit there for a minute. Let's open up our pot here. And I'm going to turn this down now to a simmer so that you just have some bubbles happening down around the bottom. Now, the trick to getting your eggs to hold together and nice and round is to use some apple cider vinegar. I like apple cider vinegar. It doesn't really matter what type of vinegar you use. It's just that the apple cider vinegar has a little bit sweeter flavor. If you just use about 1 tablespoon in your water, and you'll notice that I have a nice deep pot here. It's about 7 inches around, and the water is probably about 2 inches deep here. I want to keep the water nice and deep. I'm adding in about 1 tablespoon of that vinegar. Seeing that it's still simmering just nicely. Now, here's the trick. What I want to do is get this to have a nice whirlpool. Let me grab a good spoon to do this. But I want to start a nice eddy with a center to it. And that's going to trap the egg in the center. All right, you can see I have a nice little whirlpool going there, and I'm just going to drop that egg right in and let it spin. And now I'm just going to let that cook for another 3 minutes. I'm just turning it up just a little bit. No, I don't want it that much. There we go. And I just want it to simmer now for about 3 minutes. Okay, so now we are back. Let's take a look at our egg. It's been simmering here for 3 minutes. Now, you can either take a slotted spoon. I have a bamboo spoon here, or you can take a ladle if you don't have a slotted spoon, and just go in and scoop underneath your egg. All right, let me go grab a plate. So that you can see just how lovely this looks. And there you have it. And now, ideally, we'll be able to cut right into this. Grab a spoon and have the perfect runny poached egg. All right. So I hope you try this. Let me know how it comes out. And we'll be listening in on everyone on Wednesday just to check in and see how everybody's doing. All right. I'll see you soon. Enjoy cooking. Bye-bye for now.